I can write from this from converse. Let's suppose we need to deploy on just 15. And we can use work dir slash app. Mm, and if you're using multi-stage, we can use base here. Then we need to copy. If there is, and let's suppose I'm copying dots slash src, just like that. Then we can run it, sorry, npmi or ci, or we can directly use npm run and okay, npm run and npm, you can use npm run also, but let's use this only. Then we can have cmd, and we can, I think before that we need copy from we can use copy from, okay, then we can run npm run. So here is the base image and we are copying from base. I think there is some I'm just this was the second stage. I mean, copying from base. So I think here there should be some keyword or like I'm not getting, but I can, if I see the documentation, I can get that. But this is the first step we are using as one stage, and then we are copying from base, and then we are in the there we can also install some dependency if you want. So depend upon the application, and then we can run there. You mean file, uh, Terraform file, or like it's a yeah, just my mistake. Hmm. Okay, fine. I mean, first it's a uh, video streaming application. Second, mm-hmm, 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 okay, uh, fine. Now, also we need authentication and other contents also, right? Okay. Now what are the other requirements apart from that? It's like highly scalable. Hmm. And apart from that, Uh, can you tell me any other requirements I have? Mm-hmm. Highly available. Mm, CPU intensive. Okay. Okay. Mm, any other requirements? Mm, I mean, okay, fine. So we are ignoring any other API calls, right? I mean, just we are. Uh, mhm, mhm. Okay, fine. And then we can use C6 instances for here. Okay, fine. Uh, it's highly available. We need uh, regional uh, routing. Let's say. Uh, mhm, okay. Mhm, fine. Uh, okay. So highly scalable. So we need HPA, pre-warm up instances. Uh, okay. Mm, maybe Karpenter we can use. Okay, fine. Uh, okay. So I think now I have some idea. Okay, let's delete that. Uh, okay, fine. I mean, so you have user, like for now, if it is we need a multi-scalable, then we can uh, for highly available first. I mean, we should have different cutover. I mean, different regions as well as highly available and highly for the region also we need to think about. So we can have multiple regions. We can have mm, active. I mean, both environments should be active because it's a highly scalable. Okay. So like here we can have multiple regions. I'm just mentioning one, region two. It can have more than that. I'm just giving a bare minimum. It will be controlled by like Route 53 routing. We have to also think about latency. So we can have like latency routing also, which means that if there is any less latency available, we can switch to that. Okay, so now this is the Route 53 part. Now from there it will goes to our infrastructure. So we can use API gateway with BAF, with BAF we can use. Uh, Also, now here from here we can go to multiple load balancers, depend upon I'm just keeping two right now. Uh, so this is the load balancer one, load balancer two. Okay, now from here, I mean, we have our cluster. So from here we have like we can define the as hmm, mhm, hmm. Okay, multiple ways to create infra. First, mm, I can use. Okay, fine. Okay, so multiple ways. First can be manual way using console. Uh, just we can use EKS CTL utility. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's do that first. So I think that would be we can use depend upon the services. So let's as we are using containerized environment, so we have multiple options. First could be Lambda. It has cold start, so we need like it can take that can uh, leads to high latency or like other issues. We have ECS. Now ECS we can use that is managed by AWS. We can do that, but not supports highly scalable. Uh, we have one approach also. We can use uh, like Kubedium with EC2, but I mean more complexity and manual configuration is required. And last will be using EKS. So that's for the infra part. I mean, just for the infrastructure, but we have also databases. So for the databases, let's use databases. Now there we have uh, RDS, we have uh, DynamoDB, we have Elastic Cache or Redis. So if it is a relational, I mean, depends upon requirements, then we can use RDS or specifically we can use uh, Aurora Serverless. I mean, that has some pricing, but we can use that. Now we have DynamoDB. So if we have uh, keep pair storage or NoSQL, so if no NoSQL database, we can use that. Uh, like, I mean, it's we can use global tables for that, highly available. Uh, Elastic as we can use. Redis. Depends upon the sizing we can use for caching of the database. And first, it will hit the uh, elastic cache Redis, and then it will goes to the main database. It will store the contents. If it is not available, then it will goes to the main database. So it will have caching. Okay, and I mean, yeah. So these are the requirements for that. So create infra. Can I go ahead now? Mm, String. We can uh, like we can have Grafana with Prometheus and Loki or logs we can use. Or for that, we need to have sidecar if we are using EKS. So we need a sidecar container which can hold the logs. Uh, Now here we can have multiple metrics. We can set up metrics like 5xx count, latency, um, error rate, mm, okay, for alerting. I mean, in the Prometheus, we can set up like SCS is there. We can add SCS in the Prometheus. We can use PagerDuty for like SCS can use for email service, like it's an email service, and we can use PagerDuty for on-call alerts. It will directly call on a number or it will do a drill like call. Apart from that, I mean, you can set up SMS also. All done on the PagerDuty. Email we can use multiple there. I mean, you can use Slack integration or Teams. It depends upon the channel. You can use that. Uh, okay. I mean, monitoring is there now. Yeah. So also like there are some metrics like CPU metrics, memory metrics. So we need to configure that in Prometheus. CPU metrics. Then we have memory metrics and storage. There is like also we need a log rotate also in case the log got full. So we can use log rotate for rotating logs. Mm, okay. I think that's it. So we have infra, we have database. There is also front end part like as there is front end, so we can use depend upon the requirement. We can use CDN also like there is front end layer also.